This video is about how different fractions in the petroleum separate and the principle behind. In the lesson, we have learned that petroleum is formed from the dead body of marine animals and plants. Their body will be decomposed under high temperature and pressure and bacterial action into hydrocarbons with different length. For those hydrocarbons with larger size, they have more electrons and result stronger van der Waals force, which make them have higher melting point and boiling point. The method that separate different fractions in petroleum according to their boiling point is called fractional distillation. The idea for fractional distillation is very simple. For the species with higher boiling point, it will condense or solidify first when temperature drops. In fractional distillation, the petroleum is first heated to about 400 degrees Celsius, then pumped into a long fractionating column. So fuel oil, lubricating oil, wax, and bitumen will condense at the bottom of the column. The rest of them will exist as vapor and move upward. In a higher position, when temperature is dropped, gas oil or diesel oil will condense, and the smaller molecule inside petroleum will continue moving upward. Next is kerosene, then is petroleum and naphtha condensed in a higher position. Finally, refinery gas, for example, liquefied petroleum gas (LPG), can be obtained at the top of the fractionating column, where the temperature is the lowest. In laboratory, the petroleum will be soaked in mineral wool and then heated in the absence of air. When temperature increases, smallest molecule will vaporize first, come out and condense in a test tube that is cooled by ice water when temperature keep rising. The larger molecule will vaporize later. By using different tubes, different fractions can be obtained. The first fraction collected will be the lowest boiling point, and the final fraction collected will have the highest boiling point.